Hello everyone, welcome back again to Selfcad channel with Selfcad basic tutorial how to understanding use move command. Okay, for example in here I will create a simple cube object and you can click OK. In this object we can click and then you can click a move command to move this object. Okay, we have in here this green axis. It means for y-axis, you can see y-axis in green and x-axis in red. So if you want to move in red axis, you can click this icon and you can move in x-axis, or you can move z-axis, this blue z, you can move in it. Okay, you also can move by using this coordinate. Okay, I will move this object into coordinate 50. Okay, move the 50, or you can move this z-axis into 100. It will be moving into 100. If you want to move this object into coordinate 0, 0 and 0, you only click this icon and it will be automatically move into this center point. Okay, in this Selfcad move command, we have some feature like magnet tools. Okay, for this option we need to create example object. Okay, I will create a cylinder object and you can click OK to apply. Next, we can use move magnet into this object and move into this 3D object. You can click this move command and then you can click advanced settings. Next, we can activate a magnet. Okay, you can see there are magnet icon in the center point. You can click in here, hold, and then you can move this object into face of this 3D object. Okay, you can move to this point, or you can move into the top here. Okay, it's very easy to move this object into another object by using this magnet tools. Okay, you can click in here, hold, and you can move into another face like in here. Okay, enough today for Selfcad basic tutorial how to use move command. If you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video, and see you next time in Selfcad basic tutorial.